Coffee Semifreddo is a true classic of Italian patisserie, loved for its creaminess and robust coffee flavor. This refined and light dessert is perfect for concluding a lunch or dinner in a delicious and sophisticated manner. Its preparation requires a bit of attention, but the final result will reward every effort with a sweet treat that melts in your mouth, offering a unique taste experience. Ingredients: 4 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 250 milliliters of fresh whipping cream, 3 cups of espresso, about 150 milliliters, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, a pinch of salt, chocolate shavings, optional, unsweetened cocoa powder, and coffee beans for garnish. Preparation: prepare the espresso and let it cool. In the meantime, prepare all the ingredients and place the fresh cream in the refrigerator so that it is very cold when you whip it. Separate the egg yolks from the whites, placing the yolks in a large bowl and the whites in another. Add the sugar to the yolks and beat with an electric whisk until the mixture is light and frothy. Combine the espresso and the instant coffee with the yolk and sugar mixture, gently stirring until you get a homogeneous cream. Whip the fresh cream until stiff peaks form and gently fold it into the coffee cream, mixing from the bottom up with a spatula to avoid deflating the mixture. Beat the egg whites with a pinch of salt until stiff peaks form and fold them into the coffee and cream mixture, again mixing gently from the bottom up. Pour the obtained mixture into a loaf pan lined with plastic wrap to facilitate removal, smoothing the surface with a spatula. Cover the pan with more plastic wrap or a lid and place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours, preferably overnight. Before serving, unmold the coffee Semifreddo onto a serving plate and carefully remove the plastic wrap. Garnish as desired with a dusting of unsweetened cocoa powder, chocolate shavings, and coffee beans, serving immediately to maintain its creamy texture. Curiosities: for a touch of originality, you can add dark chocolate chips to the mixture or serve it with a caramel sauce. Moreover, you can prepare individual Semifreddo portions using silicone molds, making the dessert even more elegant and easy to serve.